afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching in the world this video. So I just finished doing my video of Macy's beauty box subscription. That one should be up live now, and then this vlog will be next. So that's why you see me all put together. I'm not always like this, okay? Nope. So this is why my hair is done, my makeup is done, and I'm dressed kind of okay. It was cold, so I went ahead and I put my cardigan on the video. I didn't, but it was behind me on the chair just in case I got cold. But now that I'm done, now I'm cold. So I'm feeding the dogs right now, and I'm gonna head out to the pharmacy because I need 2 products from the pharmacy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit.
Please remember to take your...
Okay, so I am back from the pharmacy. I know it was 2 MI, but reality is reality. I needed that. So the other product that I was looking for, and I was going back and forth, and I really didn't see anything. I did see the brand, and I did see like toners and things like that from that brand, but not the witch hazel. So this is the one that I was actually looking for because I am running so low, and I'm so sorry, but it has my dog hair, 3 goldens, so I'm always filled with hair. So this is the one that I was looking for, the witch hazel, and I really couldn't find it. And as you can see, I'm like literally almost gone, and I couldn't find it. So I now have to go and find it somewhere else, or maybe Amazon, I don't know. But the other one that I actually use is this one. It's the CeraVe Hydrating Micellar Water. Okay, this one. But this is so pricey. I remember before COVID, this was such a reasonable price when you would purchase it. It was like maybe $8 before COVID, COVID hit and everything, inflation went up, everything went up. Now this is, look it up, this is ridiculous now. So I don't buy it unless it's really necessary. This one I bought on a trip to Florida. I use it very, very seldom. And this was months ago. Look at that. I only use it when I need to. But I'm gonna run out and I have to use this. You pricey. Now, right now what I'm gonna do is I am going to work out. It is a very, very gloomy day here in PA. I don't mind it. I think it's gorgeous. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna work out, remove my makeup, and I'm just gonna go ahead and work out for maybe between 30 and 40 minutes. So I will talk to you guys in a little bit. These are so good, guys. I got them over on Amazon, and sorry about my fan, it's really annoying and very loud. I'm so sorry, but these are so good. I got them, there's a pack of, I believe, 3. You get a white, you get a black, and then you get a gray, and then there's another type of packet of colors, I think like pink and things like that. Very affordable. These are really good. You don't have nothing dripping down, so I highly recommend. These are from Amazon. If I can link them and if I can find them, I will link them for you. But yeah, very good. So first things first, I go ahead and I use this here, Elemis. I use this one or the yellow kind. Oh, my battery's gonna die. So and then I also use this because I have acne prone skin, and I use this. This is my favorite. So good. This is from Naked and Thriving Refresh Enzyme Cleanser. Highly recommend. This is really good. So I always double cleanse, and then I always, well, it's usually 3, I guess. 3 steps I do. And then done with my workout. 2-mile run with 1-mile walk. Calorie wise, I always achieve, if it's per mile, 100 calories I would like to burn. So all in all, I did a little over 300. But I'm sweating. Look at that. My hair is messed up, but it was a good one. Sun finally came out. It was really gloomy today, but I wanted to show you the tomatoes processed. They're not looking really good this year. That's because I never planted it on this bed, but you live and learn. These are my sweet onions. Yeah. Look at the vine on this strawberry. This is my first year planting a strawberry, and it looks really nice. Has many strawberries, so I'm hoping that they all grow. We shall see. Haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to warm this up in the air fryer, and then we have, I believe, some garlic knots with mozzarella sticks. So I'm very hungry. I don't know how much you guys can see. I know it's really light in the back, so the camera is not really. I'm gonna eat my pizza, my garlic knots, and my mozzarella stick because it is 3 o'clock and I have not eaten nothing. Like nothing. That's how busy I was. After I eat, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my supplements. This is my Halo Beauty. This is really good. I don't know if you guys can see it now. That, and then from Flab City, I get the triple 3. This is really good. You get 3 in 1. You get your vitamin D3, you get your zinc, and you get your K2 supplement, and they are really good. Like your vitamin D, it has, oh wow, only 50 mcg, so I should take more. And then you have your vitamin K2, which is 200 milligrams. That is very reasonable. And then your zinc, which is 30 milligrams. So I do take those. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let you guys go. It's been a really good productive day. I've been actually doing really good this week, which I'm very happy. I do wake up at 5 in the morning, and I think 5 in the morning for me is the key, because if I wake up at 6:30, I know it's only an hour and a half of a difference, but that 1.5 hour makes such a big difference, because today I edited, I made that Macy's Beauty Box subscription video, I did the things I had to do around the house, I checked my emails, I went out, I did errands, I took care of the dogs, I cleaned their teeth, ears, and I dremel their nails. So I did get a lot done today, which I'm very happy. So for me, it's very essential to wake up at 5 in the morning, and then I know it's like 3 o'clock, but I get so much done, and then in the afternoon I kind of settle down, even though I do relax for maybe half hour, but then I get up, because there's always something constantly that you need to do. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. I appreciate each and every single one of you. God bless, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one.